Welcome to Go Next. You will hear a monologue about the daily life of a farmer. Listen carefully to what Ben says about his routine, the seasonal work, and his reflections on farming as a way of life. Follow the directions as you listen. 1. Listen to Ben talk about his life as a farmer. 2. Answer the 5 questions below. For each question, choose the correct answer, A, B, or C.
Hi there. My name's Ben. I'm a farmer, and I live out in the countryside. People always ask me what my life is like, so I thought I'd tell you about my typical day. It starts early, really early. My alarm goes off at 5 in the morning. The first thing I do is make a strong cup of coffee. I need it. Then, I head out to see the animals. I've got a few cows, they're brown and very friendly, and a bunch of chickens. The best part is collecting the fresh eggs from the chickens for our breakfast. We also have this big, messy vegetable garden where we grow all sorts of things like carrots and tomatoes. I love being out there when the sun is shining. Sure, the work is hard sometimes, but I wouldn't change it. It's so peaceful here. The air smells clean, and everything is quiet. My favorite time is in the evening, when all the work is done. I sit in the garden with my wife and our dog, Buster. We just talk and watch the stars come out. It's a simple life, but it's a happy one. Really happy.
Quiz time. Here is question 1. What time does Ben wake up? A. 6 o'clock. B. 7 o'clock. C. 5 o'clock. Question 2. What animals does he talk about? A. Cows and sheep. B. Cows and chickens. C. Horses and chickens. Question 3. What does he collect for breakfast? A. Milk. B. Apples. C. Eggs. Question 4. What is the name of his dog? A. Buddy. B. Buster. C. Baxter. Question 5. How does Ben feel about his life? A. He thinks it is difficult. B. He feels it is happy. C. He finds it boring. Great job! You have now completed the listening practice. That is the end of the listening practice. Thank you for listening carefully. You have now completed the task.